Day on a family dairy farm, a farm-to-school farm engagement. In this part, we will show you how we clean the barn throughout the day and also how we bed our calves and cows. In this scene, you can see that I am cleaning behind the cows so that there's no manure while we are working and milking the cows. So basically, I am scraping the gutters, making sure that the manure is level, it's not under the cow's feet to be stepping on and possibly making our milk buckets dirty. We want to keep everything clean behind them before we start milking. And also so that is a workable space for us and we don't step in the manure. At night is when we bed our cows and calves. So we take this fork full of leftover straw and we give this calf, as you can see, new bedding each night. Then my sister, she scrapes down the barn each night before we milk again. She's collecting all the extra straw that we have so that it does not go to waste because it can be used for bedding. So once she saves all the extra, she scrapes down the barn. She says she does it with a process. And as you can see, she starts from one gutter to another, working her way across the aisle. And then she works on cleaning down the floor on the other side of our barn. Since we don't have enough straw before, we now throw down more straw so that we can bed our cows. And the straw is going down what we call the feed hole. And when there is about enough, we start bedding cows, which is taking another forkful and giving each cow their own bedding.